In this video, I'm going to show how I create a more immersive visual relaxation experience. And sometimes it turns into a full-on meditation, sometimes it doesn't. Either way, I get mesmerized. And the thing is, many people can find it difficult to sit still and quiet their mind, keep their thoughts less chaotic. So that's why I suggest doing it in steps. And it becomes easier then to be in complete silence, body and mind. And perhaps nature walks would be an easier way to start, and I love doing that, but where I am the weather gets chilly and dark earlier, so that is why I like to bring nature stimulation to me sometimes, and I use a TV projector. Now there's virtual reality headsets like Oculus to really have that immersive experience, but having a TV projector and decent speakers is a cheaper way to do that, and I will show you the kind of visuals I watch both on the ceiling and on the wall. Now the ceiling one is super mesmerizing. That was pretty cool, huh? Total space nerd here. Now, obviously, it's primarily used for movies, but for me, I like it for visual meditation and relaxation. And you can watch it on your phone, on your laptop, but for me, the bigger the visuals, the more I get sucked in. So if you're interested in where I got these visuals, I'll put the links in the description below. And if you have something other than the TV projectors that help you get immersed in visual relaxation, I'd be totally interested to know what it is. Please do comment in the comment section. And lastly, please do like and subscribe to my channel.